Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new feature from Instagram called Instagram Collab and how to use it. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So what is Insta Collab? Well, as the name suggests, it is a collab between other Instagram users. A user can post on Instagram feed or Reels and then collab with other users, which will then post to both of the accounts. The likes and share will be seen and shared on both accounts. So before you begin, go to the App Store or the Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once updated, go ahead and open it. Now, to collaborate with other Instagram users, you need to post a feed or a reel. In this example, I'll post a feed to my Instagram account. Tap on the plus sign at the top right, make sure post is selected, then select a post from your photo library or gallery, tap on next and then next again until you come to this screen where you're entering your captions and hashtags. You can continue to fill out as normal as you do. Just below captions, you'll see this option to tag people. Tap on it. Here on this screen, you'll see two options, tag people or invite collaborator. Invite collaborator is a new option here, so go ahead and tap on it. Now you can invite an Instagram user where you want to collab with. I'll invite my second account as a collaborator, and as you can see, collaborator needs to accept your post in order for it to be posted onto their feed. The post will be shown under their name as the author as well. Press done. Go ahead and post it to your Instagram feed. Once that has been done, this will then be shared onto your account and the collaborator's account. From the collaborator's side, that user needs to accept your invitation for the post, and then it will be posted onto their account. So here I have logged in as the collaborator's account, and in the feed it is telling me an Instagram account has invited me to be a collaborator on their post. Tap on review. Here the collaborator can accept or decline the request. If they accept it, it will be shared on their profile and their followers feed. You and the collaborator will be shown as the author of that post. As you can see at the top, you have two names there, the author, yourself, and the collaborator. And there you go, that is a new Instagram feature called Instagram Collab. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.